Silverton High School is a multi-building campus that supports academics, athletics, career and technical education, performing arts, and community events. The current main high school facility was constructed in 1998, replacing the former high school building, and the adjacent career and technical education building was also constructed in 2009 to expand hands-on learning opportunities. Together, these facilities support a wide range of daily instructional and extracurricular activities. Recent facility assessments have provided a clear, data-informed picture of the condition of Silverton High School campus and the challenges that have developed over time. These findings help identify facility needs that require thoughtful review and long-term planning to ensure buildings remain safe, functional, and supportive of student learning. The assessment identifies cracking in masonry walls near the locker room, auditorium, and other select locations. Separation between the second floor structure and exterior wall in the B wing was also observed, along with cracking in the second floor flooring in that area. A more invasive structural study is recommended to better understand the extent of these conditions and to guide appropriate mitigation. Additional repairs are needed at the concrete stem wall along the north side of the exterior loading dock. The chiller and boiler serving the main building are at the end of their useful life, along with other mechanical equipment across the campus. Replacement of these systems is needed to maintain reliable heating and cooling. Mechanical controls are also identified for retrofit, including updating the direct digital control system to improve efficiency, reliability, and long-term system management. Electrical systems and panels across the campus are aging and identified for life cycle replacement to ensure continued safety, reliability, and support for modern building operations. Roofing repairs are needed at the CTE building, along with ceiling repairs where water intrusion has occurred. Additional water-related issues include damaged windows in select locations, canopy doors allowing water to enter light fixtures, and downspouts that discharge water in ways that saturate brick and contribute to algae and moss growth. Addressing these issues is important to protect exterior materials and prevent continued interior damage. The drop-off drive outside the main school entrance requires repaving to improve safety, durability, and traffic flow during arrival and dismissal. Issues with the irrigation system have also been identified, as ongoing water exposure is damaging exterior materials and increasing long-term maintenance needs. Repainting of the upper CMU walls at the auditorium is recommended to protect materials and extend service life. The auditorium requires several targeted repairs, including repair of the stage trapdoor, refinishing of the stage floor, and repair of the auditorium lift to maintain accessibility. These spaces are heavily used for instruction, performances, and community events, and require ongoing investment to remain safe and functional. Interior needs include replacement of vinyl wall finishes along the corridors near the wrestling area and in select classroom hallways, replacement of the rubber flooring in the weight room, replacement of window coverings at classroom doors where needed, and repair or replacement of ceiling finishes impacted by leaks throughout the building. Together, these assessment findings provide a comprehensive understanding of our school's facility needs and help inform long-term planning efforts focused on safety, accessibility, system reliability, and quality learning environments. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the condition of our schools. Recent and future community engagement will help inform the long-term planning and care of our facilities.